Welcome to Keto LifeStyle.life. And today, what I have for you is keto crackers made with cheese. Beautiful, simple to make, and you can eat this anytime with a good butter. And always butter, make sure it's always organic and grass fed. So let's begin now. How we doing, everyone? This is Keto LifeStyle.life, and my name is Dario. So today, like I said again, we got these beautiful crackers. It will take about maybe the whole between you begin and ending about maybe tops 20 minutes. And they're beautiful because you have butter, you can put cheese, you can eat any times. And plus we're gonna do something special with this. We're gonna make it taste like a bagel, like a everything bagel. So you eat this, it will make you think, oh, that's bagels. I cannot eat anymore because it has a million carbs. So what we're gonna do now? Join me. Let's go together in the kitchen and let's make these beautiful crackers right now. So join me. Let's go now. All right. So what we need to make these cool keto crackers. Believe me, at the best. So we need, pretty simple. We need 100 grams of mozzarella, or about cup and a half. We need 50 grams of cream cheese, or 2 tablespoons. We need a teaspoon of white vinegar. We need 1 egg. Organic, so it's the best. So that's organic. We need 3/4 of almond flour, about 100 grams. Teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Guys, you always want to use Himalayan salt, nothing else. And to give it like a special twist, these are the best. We're going to put everything bagel. So it will taste like a bagel. You can get this in Trader Joe's. If not, I will leave you the link right below this video. What else we need? And parchment paper. You're going to need something like this. I do recommend this type of paper. This is the best. You're going to be using this 100 million times. You keep using it and using it. These are the best instead to buy the ones in the supermarket, the one you use, the ones you need to throw away. I will leave you the link right below this video. Good, real good products worth it. You got 5 sheets and you reuse them many times to do whatever you want. You can put it right in for your grill. Now the summertime is coming. For your grill, or do vegetables, anything you want. All right, so let's do that. So now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to put this and the cream cheese. We're going to put it only for a minute and a half. It should be okay. Minute and a half in the microwave full power. All right, a minute and a half. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and mix this together. And at this point, I think I need maybe another 30 seconds. Let's see, we almost there. Yeah, I think we should be okay. In case, we can always come back. You know what? We're gonna go for another 30 seconds. So now we got it. So 2 minutes, but you don't want to do 2 minutes straight because you don't want it actually it will be burning the cheese. So perfect. So we're gonna get the cheese and we're gonna jump it to here. Right there. So we're gonna do the 100 grams almond flour. This is a 3/4. Nice organic egg. 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt and a teaspoon of white vinegar. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna mix everything together. Since already it's mixed, all right. So it's a little sticky, this, okay? So that's why we're gonna have to use soup paper. So this is done. We're good. So now we set the oven. We preheat already at 400 degrees. We're gonna have this paper This paper is real good. I do recommend this, guys. So the next thing we're going to do, going to grab about, not the whole thing, because I know the whole thing, it will be too much. So we do about half of this. There, and then the next I do in the next run. You can always use some coconut oil if you want in your hands to make it a little easy. So now you're going to grab second sheet right there. You're going to put the second sheet in the top. We wrap the roll, and we roll this thing out. And we make it nice and flat. Depends how thick you want it. In my case, I want it as flat as possible. See if we can make a whole entire sheet. Nice and easy. You see this? How beautiful. Huh? Now the secret is everything bagel. You don't have to do this, okay? This is extra. But I'm telling you right now, you have to try it because all the sesame and the salt, it keeps, oh my God, this thing is like the best with the salt. I like it. Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to put this back. All right. And we go soft. We're going to roll it back. So everything is stick there. All right. And a little piece there that we miss. That's it. So what I'm going to do now, the oven should be already set. So we're going to use, because this becomes real hot. And the way I like to do it, I go to Alexa, set the timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
That's it. All right. Perfect. A little burn there, but that's okay. So that's what I did. They 7 minutes, and then went and with the fork, it formed some bubbles. So I went and pinched the bubbles, and then I put it for another 4 minutes. Total 11 minutes. So put it right over here. We'll do this for the next batch. And now we'll remove this paper. It's gonna be a little hot. It's soft for now. That's good. So now we got grab a pizza roll. So now with this, we just got it any way you want it. You want the little squares, long strips. Tell me a little secret about this. Now, one is down, one you finish, and this will cool off. What are you gonna do? You're gonna put this on the microwave for another about maybe 2 minutes. What will happen now, because this is still a little soft, even though we have to wait it to dry, and it has a nice golden color. So we're gonna wait to cool off. This is a real good even to eat now. These are the best. So what you do, just wait to cool off. Then put it anywhere. In my case, I'm gonna use this. Put everything here. Yeah. And then we're gonna wait to cool off. When they cool off, I guess again, you put it in the microwave for about maybe 2 minutes. And what we'll do, take all the moisture out of the cheese. It will dry it. And it will become like a cracker. Because if not, it will stay soft. That was a good tip. Actually, my friend found that out by mistake. He wants to make it hot and then figure out after that it actually becomes like a little cracker. If not, it will be always soft. And if you look the recipe online, the walls will be soft. You can do this way. Just put it in the microwave, or you can use something else. Put it for 2 minutes, and it will dry. Take all the water out, and it will become like a truly nice crackers. So simple. What we say? 11 minutes in the time you start to prepare, minus the I cut off the video for editing purposes. So in less than 20 minutes, you got a nice. You have it in the morning, have with butter. So I would recommend you got the good organic grass-fed butter. Just put a lot of butter here and eat your crackers in the morning with a nice bulletproof coffee or tea. Nice fix.